We will show how fresh pomegranate juice is made and how it is prepared for the market.
Let's explore the complete process step by step. The journey begins at the pomegranate farm. Quality selection is critical for premium juice production.
The selected Delima fruits are transported to the factory.
Fresh pomegranates arrive at the processing facility. Advanced sorting systems remove defective fruits. Each Delima is carefully inspected upon arrival.
Only the best Delima continues to the next stage.
Quality-approved fruits enter the washing process.
Thorough cleaning ensures food safety standards.
Every Delima is washed to remove dirt and impurities.
Now the pomegranates are ready for processing.
Next, the Delima fruits are mechanically cut open.
This process exposes the juice-rich seeds inside.
Advanced machines separate seeds from the outer skin.
Only pure Delima seeds are used for juice extraction.
These seeds move directly to the juice extraction stage. Cold press technology preserves natural flavor and nutrients. Fresh Delima juice is gently extracted.
The color reflects high antioxidant content.
The juice is temporarily stored in hygienic tanks. Temperature control ensures juice freshness. Filtration removes unwanted solids.
This creates a smooth and clean juice.
Pasteurization eliminates harmful bacteria. Strict quality control is maintained. The juice is cooled before bottling. After processing, empty bottles are sterilized for safe filling. Each bottle is thoroughly cleaned to meet hygiene standards. Clean bottles move smoothly toward the filling section. Fresh Delima juice is transferred to the filling unit. Automated systems fill each bottle with precision.
This ensures equal quantity in every bottle.
Sensors monitor filling accuracy in real time. Proper sealing prevents contamination and leakage. The sealed bottles move to the labeling section. Caps are sealed immediately to preserve freshness. Brand labels are applied automatically. Perfect labeling enhances product presentation. Production dates and batch codes are printed.
Every bottle undergoes quality inspection.
Any defective bottle is removed instantly.
Only approved Delilima juice bottles. Move forward.
Robotic systems pack bottles efficiently. Boxes are securely sealed for transportation. Each box is clearly labeled for identification. Packed products are stacked on pallets.
The finished products are moved to storage.
Cold storage helps maintain juice quality. Logistics teams prepare orders for shipment. The Delima juice is now ready for distribution. This completes the bottling and packaging process. After packaging, the juice is stored in climate-controlled warehouses. Temperature control ensures long-lasting freshness.
Every batch is digitally tracked for safety.
Orders are prepared for nationwide distribution.
Logistics teams work efficiently to meet demand.
Refrigerated transport protects juice quality. The journey from factory to market begins. These products travel long distances safely. Distribution hubs receive the final products.
The juice reaches retail stores.
Attractive packaging draws customer attention.
Consumers choose fresh and healthy options.
The product is ready for consumption.
Freshness is preserved until the final moment.
The rich color reflects natural quality.
Delima juice becomes part of daily life.
From fruit to bottle, every step matters.
This is the complete journey of pomegranate juice. Modern technology ensures quality at every stage. Thank you for watching the complete Delima juice production process.